Most homeowners do not understand what impact a false ceiling design will have on a room. Modern design revolves around usage of straight lines, white colors, and spacious looks. You will never find darker color on ceiling. Avoid too much of texture and patterns on ceiling. As discussed earlier, darker the ceiling, more closer it appears to your eyes. Hence, creatively decide what problem you are trying to solve. Unless you want to bring down ceiling, unless you want to make ceiling appear lower than what really it is, don't go for darker color on ceiling. This idea also applies for floor. If you are choosing marble or tiles that is darker in color, well, you are making room appear to have less height. Because floor is now appearing more closer to your eyes than it really is. No wonder Satuario Italian marble or Macrana white are so much popular choice for flooring. I hope you know what is Macrana marble. I bet you have seen it before. This well-known building was made completely out of it.